Oh, hello guys. In today's video, we're going to be talking about money, psychology. So in today's video, we're going to be talking on how one short video exploded on my channel, and I was able to get almost 1 million views. That's 600k views on just one short videos, and I was able to get up to 800 plus subscribers on just one short videos. I think this is the reason why they usually say that shorts has power to give you a whole lot of reach and get you subscribers. But the problem with those subscribers is that some of them are not familiar with long form. They don't watch the long form videos. But there's still tricks in which you can also use to be able to get these people to be able to watch your long form videos. And I'm also going to show you what are the advantages and disadvantages of making short videos and a whole lot more. So without further ado, let's dive into today's video. I'm going to be looking at the analytics from my phone, direct from my mobile YouTube studio, which is on this phone. You can see it is on this phone. So I'm going to be showing you everything in which you need to know. So, and I'm also going to be displaying everything on your screen for you to see what is actually going on my phone. So first thing we have to do is this. We're already on the video. So now the video I made is iPhone 15 Pro Max versus Huawei Pura 70 Ultra. And I made this video on the 22nd of April. That's like last like 2 or 3 months ago now. So I made this video then, and this video was, at first the video was going very slow. I was like, what is going on with this video? But one of the most important thing I was so interested in was the audience retention, because I saw the audience retention was 148.7%, which is more than 100%. And once you're able to see such on your video, that shows that that video has the has still got, it simply means that that video has the potential of blowing up your channel. That video has the potential of going very far, having a whole lot of reach and getting you subscribers and views. So this is what I discovered on the video, and from then till now, since April till now, this video has been able to, I've been able to get 633,400 views, especially. That's what I've been able to get on this particular single short video, and I've been able to accumulate like 892 subscribers from just one short video. And imagine, I've been making long form videos. All I get is 1 subscriber, 2 subscribers, and even the 2 subscribers, some of them, you're even begging them to subscribe. Sorry, you're even begging them to subscribe and a whole lot. So you can see that just one short video, that's the power of short videos. Short videos has the potential of going very far compared to long form videos. That's what I see. But the difference between these two is that some people are good with watching short video. They don't have all the time to sit down and be listening to you talking about a long form videos, but most especially which has to do with tech. You understand? People just want it fast. They are gone, so they can go and do other things. But with long form videos, it's difficult to have more reach, and also, so the fact and the truth is that you make more money on long form videos compared to short form videos. So I'm going to be showing you everything which is on this video. So I've been able to get 892, almost 900 followers. You can see how well this video has been doing, and every 48 hours I'm making like 1,600. I'm getting 1,600 views. At first I used to get more than this. It has even reduced. You can see it has reduced, but as at then I used to get more than this. I used to get at times 15,000 views, 20,000 views on just shorts. I used to get this kind of views on shorts. So you can see these are the powers of shorts. Now, I'm also going to be explaining something to you, what you need to know. And I'm also going to be showing you how much this video has been able to make me since I posted this video on YouTube. Now, the benefit of making short form videos is that, the truth be said, short form videos goes far. goes very far compared to long form videos, because short form videos used to have more reach, and this is actually the first time in my life that I've made short form video that has got me almost 1,000 subscribers. Is rare. But even though I've met some people that have been able to make one short video that went viral and they've been able to get more than 1,000 subscribers, but for me, this is actually the first time I'm getting such, and it has really opened my eyes to the secret of doing YouTube, most especially making short videos, because I've seen the potential of short videos, of what short videos can do, and how I can actually know if my video is going to go viral. So this is what I've been able to learn for all this while since I've been doing making videos and content and all that. So, but there's a problem apart from all the benefits in which you are seeing. And please make sure to watch the end, because I'm also going to be showing you how much these these short views have been able to generate me since this video blew up, started going viral. And I don't even know if maybe some of you watching this video, maybe you've also come across the video, because I know when once a video goes viral, almost everybody sees it. So I'm also going to be showing you how much this video has been able to accumulate since I started, since this video blew up. But there's disadvantage in short videos, in the sense that some of those people that watch your short videos, a whole lot of them don't stay by to watch your long form videos, because a whole lot of them are more interested in the shorts. And what I observe is that there's one long form video in which I link to this short video. Though it helped to promote the long form video, but there was one problem in which I encountered. The problem was that it affected the long form video, in the sense that once people click this long form video to watch it, they watch it for like 15 seconds, 20 seconds, some 10 seconds. You can see that and indirectly what it's doing is that it's destroying the long form video, because once YouTube algorithm notice that people are clicking on this video and they are not able to watch up to 30 seconds, and which simply means those views that I'm being getting from those videos are not being added. I'm not going to be paid for those views. So what they will do is that they won't promote that video. That's what they will do. They will stop promoting the video. So it's going to kill that video. So that's why some people used to say, link your short videos to your long form. It has effects, most especially for those that are watching, that are used to short form videos, now watching long form. Once they watch it 10 seconds, 15 seconds, those views are not being will not be added, and it's going to affect your view and all that. So it's going to destroy that video. So that's why somehow even though I link my short form videos to my long form videos, but honestly speaking, I link it to my old videos to make those old videos to start pushing, not on my new videos, because it's going to affect it. So that's what I do. Short form videos are very good, but they have disadvantage, in the sense that you will not be able to get people, loyal viewers that will be able to watch your long form videos, which is actually where the whole money is, not on your short form videos. Short form videos gives you money, gives you reach, gives you, it doesn't really give money. It gives you reach, give you subscribers, but those subscribers, a whole lot of them are not willing to watch long form videos. So these are the disadvantage of having a short form. So, and just imagine if it were my long form video that blew up this way, I would have made a whole lot of money, man. I would have made a whole lot of money. I would have made close to $1,000 or more. I would have made more than that. But it all depends on the CPM and RPM. CPM is cost per minute. That's the amount of money in which YouTube pays for that particular videos. And the RPM is what you get. That's your cut from the CPM. That's what they pay you at the end of it. So what they do is that CPM is the total cost. Why? So after YouTube remove their own money, then the RPM, which is the remaining, is what they give to you as your own part of the money. So the each video in which you make, the CPM and the RPM is exactly what determines how much in which you make on any video. So you can see, so all these views, half a million views in which I've gotten, which I was able to get from this particular video. But just imagine is a long form video that went viral. I would have made a whole lot of money. But it is what it is. So I can't force things the way to be the way it is actually. So I just accept it, then move on. So now onto how much I was able to make with this short form video. And another thing is this short video was able to accumulate 2,800 watch hour. So assuming I'm trying to aim at my 4,000 watch hour for me to monetize, because already when this video blew up, I was already monetized. So imagine I'm looking for watch hour. Just this short video has been able to get me 2,800 watch hours, which is very powerful. And this is some of the things in which short videos can actually do for you. Now, onto how much this video was able to generate me. Now, I think we need a drum roll. Now, onto the amounts in which this video has been able to generate me is going $10.36. That's what I was able to be paid on that single video. And the RPM for this video is 2 cents. But assuming I've made one short video that was able to get like 5 cents as my RPM, that's revenue per minute, that's the money which YouTube pays me at the end of the day for this video. I've been able to make, so assuming that this video got like 5 cents, the money would have been more, but it's just 2 cents. But in everything, I'm still grateful. I'm so grateful for the views, for at least when people are saying that their video blew up, I can also say that yes, I've been able to experience such, and I know how this thing is. I can also be able to explain, but only wish the only thing I regret is, well, I will not say it's a regret, I'll say that the only thing I wish I had was, I wish it was one of my video that blew up, not if a long form video that blew up. I would have made a whole lot of money than all this. But because it is short, I've been able to make just $10, which is what I've been able to make. So such is life, you know. At times you accept the good the way it is, and we also accept the bad the way it is. But in everything, I'm still grateful. I'm grateful for every of those people that clicked on the subscribe button. I'm grateful for all those people that watched my video and didn't subscribe. I'm grateful for all those people that liked my video, all those people that comment, and all those people that went what to. If you go through the comment section, you see what I'm actually saying, because some people took it personally because I was talking about poorer phone and also talking about iPhone 15 Pro Max. So I compared these two phones. So a whole lot of people were saying this, saying that. Some people were in for poorer, Huawei poorer, while some people were in for iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's not easy when you engage people in arguments. At times it's like that. So I'm just grateful for everyone that comments, like, shared, and subscribe to my channel. I'm so grateful to all of you. I wouldn't have made it possible without you guys. So I'm so grateful. So thank you for watching. Thank you for everything. And please, if this is your first time of coming across my channel, don't forget to like this video, share it to your friends, or even if you don't want to share, make sure to subscribe, because now I'm back on YouTube. I'll be creating a whole lot of tech content videos and so many things coming up from me. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.